Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. Today's video is very important because most of us don't know how to download video from Facebook. It's very easy, just you need to follow some few simple steps. First of all, open a browser and log into a Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account and I need to download a video from this Facebook account. So I'll go to video section, okay, and I'll find a video like as for example, I need to download this video. So I just click on the three arrow button here, uh, click on copy link, and in another tab write down fdown.net. Okay, so and from this area where it is written enter Facebook video link, I will just control V, paste the link and click on download and wait for some minute because it will take some time depending on your internet connection. And from here you can download video in HD quality. Okay, so as I have IDM, it will automatically take me to my IDM link. There is another, if you don't have IDM, there is no such problem. Your download will start here in this area. Okay. Another way of download the video is that, uh, as for example, if you have IDM, I don't have any videos right now in my Facebook account. If you have IDM, okay, if we just click on the video, an IDM icon will show here. Right now my IDM icon is not showing, but it completely show before. So if you have IDM, you can easily find your IDM icon here. You will see an IDM icon where it is written that if you want to download this video. So I have shown you two simple steps. If you have IDM, you can easily download the video with IDM, or you can use the website fdown.net to download any kind of video from Facebook. So if you like the video, please do share with your friends and family, and do let us know what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. Thank you.